Hello, I'm Neil. I'm the technical specialist here at Bekins. A few ways you might be able to save yourself from having to pay for a service call. In order to get a machine to start, a lot of your dishwashers and clothes washers, when you go to start the machine, it'll actually have you press and hold the button. There are some buttons that you don't just press and let go. Some of them you have to press on it and hold it for a second. Sometimes if you don't hit it in the exact sweet spot, there's sometimes a very, very small window of where you can actually push on that button in order to get it to register, which leads to another tip. Please try and read your user manual. It'll actually tell you how to prevent that from happening or show you how to use that. A lot of them are very short and they read very well. Please, before you call for service, try and read your user manual.